Hello YouTube family, this is Ravi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back with last part of this video, which is nothing but your interview series, where we are discussing about attachment. If you remember, in the last week, 2 weeks back, we have created a video on how you can send an attachment. Now, I am getting multiple requests to avoid sending a duplicate attachment. So this is in continuation with that video. So if you have not checked this video, you can go ahead and check it over here. We send an attachment from one ServiceNow instance to another ServiceNow instance. And I'm going to use the same technique, whatever you use here, but with some scripted code changes that we can cover it right now. So if you are very new to this channel, do share and subscribe, and we'll meet with these videos continuously from the next week. So in a week, there will be close to 2 or 3 videos will be posted, either on new topics or on scenarios. And big announcement, in the month of September 21st, a new module is coming to this platform. So it could be your HRSD, it could be your ITOM, it could be your CSN. You can put that details in the chat, which module you want, and I will bring that module based on the number of votes. So probably ITOM, probably HRSD, probably CSM. We don't know. Or App Engine. App Engine Studio, if you want to build an app from scratch, it will publish. So everything we can do it. So let's get started. If you remember, in the last class, we have done our REST message. So I'll close this. In this REST message, we have created, let me just show you. Yeah, this REST message, if you remember. And here we have created our post attachment. So I think, let me check my script. Yeah, this was my script. And this is if you notice, the same REST message, create an incident. So let me go and check. Yeah, create an incident. If I open this REST message. Perfect. Here we are sending SysID, caller ID, short description, category, and state. So if you are very new, please go and check that video. Now, I will show you a demo right now. So if I'm creating an incident on this ServiceNow instance called 86573, the same incident will create on 24408. So if you notice 24408 having 67, if I go here and type incident, incident.go, I'm going to create a new record on the incident table. So system admin. Oops, now it's pretty slow. Yeah. Test attachment. Okay. And I'm going to attach an attachment. I can choose anything from here. Image. Fine. Perfect. Click on save. So once I save it, this business rule will run. Okay. And this business rule is gonna create a record on our incident table along with our attachment. So that is perfectly fine. You can notice here on the incident also, we are receiving a message saying that incident successfully sent, attachment sent 1. So let me show you. Come here and refresh the page. It should be 68 now. And test attachment, let me open it. So now the attachment is being shared over here, image. My point is, if I want to send attachment again, this attachment will also send together. But I don't want to send this attachment. Attachment already exists, don't send that attachment. For example, if I send here, I have to create it. Wait, sorry. Yeah, so if I go ahead and attach another attachment, choose file. Just sit. For example, if I click on save, this attachment should also go there. But if you notice here, there's no message coming. It means that it's not working. Let's go and check. Refresh the page. See, it is not sent. Only first time it's sent. On update, it is not sending. So what we can do is, we can do create a business rule after update. So copy everything, whatever I did here, I will copy here and I will put it here on the new ServiceNow Same thing I have created. Send attachment via REST API update. We'll notice everything is there. Copy paste. Done. Sorry. Yeah. Everything is pasted. Now, what you have to do is in the another business rule, you have to choose after update. Whenever you are inserting, that's fine. Once you do an update, I'm going to use a concept of after update. After update of what? So now for that, we need to create a REST message. And I have already created, you can see here, update new, if you notice. So here, to save the time, we have created another call update new. In this update new, let's say I am passing the current incident sysID. So whatever the incident I want to update, I will pass that sysID only, so that over here, if you notice, this incident is having same sysID, which is a target instance. And this incident is also having the same sysID. You can see 3D B4, not 3D, sorry, B419. You can see here, till here. And here also we have same B419, correct? If I update here, the same thing update here. So for that, I have to create a REST message, which I have created here, which is called update new. So I have to check the sysID and just the sysID, guys. And you can send whatever you want to update. For example, I want to update the short description. You can search here. You can put here like short underscore description to $. And you can create the variable there, guys. Simple. But I'm not sending this short description right now. I'm only concerned about attachment. So any update will happen, whether on a state or something, attachment will be checked. If new attachment is there, then it's gonna create it. If old attachment is there, it's not gonna create it. So for that, I have to create, guys, a method called get. So first we will check whether the attachment exists on this ServiceNow instance or not, this target instance or not. If ServiceNow instance on this target instance, then this target one. So if I go ahead and I will check the attachment table, sys underscore attachment dot list, because all the attachment will attach on this table only, guys. So I will check whether the attachment is attached to this table or not, because here table name will be mentioned with the sysID. If it matches, then abort the action. Don't send the attachment. If attachment is not mentioned here, if new attachment there, then only you can do it. That's what I will be doing right now. So what I will do is I'll close this. Close this. Close this. Okay, this is normal. And this one is, I'm going to make it active right now in front of you. Save it. Same thing is there. There's no change in the code. You can go ahead and copy the same code, whatever is mentioned in the previous video. Now I'm going to write a logic here. That logic will be very simple. So first of all, we will create a REST message, which I have already created. I will show you. And I will use the REST message somewhere where I can check whether attachment exists or not. So let me go and show you the REST message which I have created is nothing but get attachment. You notice. Say get attachment. It will directly go to the attachment table. So this is the only way that you can do it. First, I will check that instance attachment exists or not. If attachment exists, then only I am going to use it. A simple method, very simple. I will come back here. I will create a logic. Let me put, let's say, for existing attachment. Okay. Now, same thing, guys. You have to mention like variable. I'm going to make sure that you give a proper naming convention, guys. Check incident. Same thing. Equal to new glide record. I'm so sorry. Okay. WS. We can copy from the top. Copy. Paste it. SNWS. Okay. Once you do this, simple. Here you have to change the name to Get attachment. Same name you have to put. The one which I have created. Get attachment. See, I have nothing I have created here. Nothing is there also. Just going to the third party attachment table. That's it. Means this attachment table, this table. This table I'm going. See, go back here. Revise your script. Mention the name. Perfect. Now here we will compare the current society with the society already existing. Simple. Check incident. Dot set string parameter no skip. Okay, same thing you have to use, guys. Check the current system society. Means this record society, whatever is there, with compare with the current society, whatever the current society we have. So what is current society right now? So if you notice here, this is my current incident. So this I am checking this current society with the third party, which is this ServiceNow instance with this society. If it matches, then you have to not create an attachment. If it does not matches, then only you have to create an attachment. So this is there. Okay, variable. Check new service, get attachment. Check string parameter no skip. Perfect. And then we can use similarly executed variable. Check response. I'm going to check the response equal to check incident dot execute. Simple. And you can check your response body. So I'm going to check the response body. So I'm going to create a variable again. Response body equal to check response dot get body. Perfect. Everything seems to be perfect right now. You can check the status code also. I'm not choosing here. That's okay. So what I am going to do is I am going to pass the JSON body, and in the JSON body there will be a result. So if you see my previous videos, there I already went to JSON formatter, and see every JSON of ServiceNow look like this. Result. Start with the result, and then you can get the value whatever you want from there. Let's say we want the value of updated on, watch list, parent, attachment, everything is present under this particular XML. You can say XML. It is not XML, it's JSON. I'm so sorry, it's a JSON. So if you want a JSON from any table, you can go inside that table. For example, right click, export this as a JSON. It look like same way. Let me show you. See, let me open it. Go ahead and paste it. It takes time. Yeah, see, same thing. It's coming up over a same JSON body. So ServiceNow support JSON and XML. I am talking about JSON right now. So I am going to do one thing. I am going to parse it. So JSON dot parse, and whatever the response we have checked, copy dot result. Simple. I am getting the result out of it. Once I get the result out of it, I will create another variable. Let me put it in a variable. Let's say variable x equal to. And I will create another variable. Let's say variable y equal to. Here y represent. Okay, let me just write it down. Existing attachment. I am going to store the existing attachment's name over here. Okay. So if existing attachment exists, I am going to push this in the array. For that, I am going to loop it. So for variable I equal to 0. Perfect. I less than what? So here x does not, it's not a good name here. Let me change this name to. I'm going to check the result. Obviously, I will go to the attachment table, and I'm getting the matching it, and I'm checking the response. So I'm taking the result out of it. So I'm checking if existing attachment and length of it. So length, I'm checking the length of the attachment, and then I am incrementing it to I plus plus. So if you add 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever the attachment you want to attach, then it will attach it. Here I will here I will compare it. If existing attachment, copy of I, whatever the attachment I am attaching, I am going to take the table SysID. And you will ask me, Ravi, from where you are getting this? So if you see the attachment table, we have a table SysID here. If you got my point here, we have a table SysID, guys. And if I go and show you the backend name is table SysID. So if the attachment matches the current table SysID, then gone, you don't have to send an attachment. Same thing I'm doing. If the existing attachment dot table SysID is double equal to current dot SysID. That's all. If you want to convert to string, you can convert to string, your wish. But that also will work. This also will work. And then go inside it, and then you can put here existing attachment name dot push. And here you can say that which file is being pushed, you will get to know. So dot file name, backend name is this one, guys. It's file underscore name. So file underscore. Simple. If it works, then only you have to go inside it. Else no. Else you don't have to go inside and create a new one. That's why I'm checking here status code as 200, not 201. So 201 is created and the incident is already created, guys. So you don't have to check the HTTP status code of 201. We have to check the status code of 200. Once you check 200, the incident's answer is set to successfully. Now we'll go back to the third party incident table. Check with attachment attached. So I have to go to the attachment table of the third party, check the current SysID and take the result out of it. Then I am matching it here. If current SysID is double equal to existing SysID, then push it, else don't push it, else it won't work. Then only you will be able to send the attachment. And you can add a message. Something like this, gs.add info message saying that existing attachment name dot length. Okay. And you can say that what is the matching attachment? Attachment found. Attachments we can put. Okay. Here we can put attachments found. Okay. And again, you can put something like this to make it little look good. Colon. And here you can write which is found. Colon. Okay. Not push. So sorry. Delete this. Double quotes to be ending here plus existing attachment name dot file name you can mention. Simple. I hope you are clear, guys. That's all, guys. So send the attachment, check the status, check the SysID, then compare it with the current and then send a message. Simple. Make it active and save it. Now I'll go and attach the same attachment. Like, see, I have already added receipt and image. Now if I go and add something else, let's say choose file avatar, for example. So ideally, if you notice here, you go to the incident. First, on all. First one, which is created. Go ahead. You see, ideally, image should not send duplicate. What should send now? It should send only two, which is receipt and avatar. Let me do that. Test attachment update. And I am going to save the record. So it should give me the information. You can see update 200, 200, processing attachment. Okay. Incident successfully sent, attachment sent only two. Let's see. Go back and refresh the page. See avatar and receipt. It is not duplicated incident. If I add incident again also, it will not duplicate. So not incident, image. The name is same. Okay. If name is matches, then it's not gonna work. Sys ID of this match is not gonna work. We are not checking the name here. In this case, we are checking the sys ID. And if you see the attachment table, refresh the page. See on incident table, let me show you. Avatar, receipt, and image is sent, guys. We don't have duplicate. So we are checking this sys ID. See, same sys ID is there, show matching. 3 records are there. So we are matching this sys ID with the current incident sys ID. Perfect. That's all. Keep in your mind, and I will put this code in the description section. I don't know whether I will be able to put or not. So the reason being is it is super big. And description section does not allow it. So you can ping me separately. I can put it in the drive link and you can use that drive link over there. Till then, I'll come with the next video with the new scenarios and we'll see how we can proceed from there. Till then, thank you so much, and please do like and subscribe my channel for more such good content. Till then, thank you so much. Bye.